The moment we've all been waiting for is here. MrBeast has done it again. He just became the first person in the world to get his hands on the all-new Lamborghini Huracán 2026. And trust us, this is no ordinary Lamborghini. This is the future of supercars. Loud, aggressive, and unbelievably fast. The first time this beast rolled into the garage, jaws dropped. The design is completely reimagined. Sleek lines, a wider body, a more angular face, and rear lights that look like laser beams. It's bold, futuristic, and screams power from every corner. Lamborghini took the Huracán and turned it into something out of a sci-fi movie, and MrBeast is the first to take it home. Under the hood, things get even more intense. The 2026 Huracán now features a twin turbocharged V10 hybrid engine that produces an insane 850 horsepower. Yes, a hybrid, but this one is nothing like the hybrids you're used to. It's designed for extreme performance and speed. It hits 0 to 60 in just 2.3 seconds, and it can reach top speeds of over 220 miles per hour. When you hear the roar of this engine, you'll understand why MrBeast couldn't resist being first in line. Inside the cabin, it's like stepping into a spaceship. The digital display is fully customizable, and the central touchscreen has been upgraded to be smarter, smoother, and more connected than ever. The materials? All premium. Carbon fiber, Alcantara, and custom Italian leather. But what really stands out is the new AI-assisted driving mode that adjusts the car's performance based on your driving style and mood. Whether you want calm and relaxed or full-on beast mode, this car adapts. MrBeast, known for his jaw-dropping giveaways and world record videos, has given away dozens of luxury cars, but this one, he's keeping it. And who can blame him? It's the most powerful, most intelligent, and most talked about Huracán ever made. When he took it out for a spin, fans surrounded the car within seconds. Phones were out, people were shouting, and everywhere he went, heads turned. This car is not just about speed. It's about presence. It's about power. It's about making a statement before you even hit the gas. Lamborghini has poured everything they know into this machine, and when you pair that with the world's biggest YouTuber, it becomes a cultural moment. The handling is razor sharp thanks to Lamborghini's new torque vectoring system and active aerodynamics. On a racetrack, it slices through corners like a blade. On the streets, it commands attention like no other. When MrBeast steps out of this car, it's not just a flex. It's a declaration. The future of supercars is here, and he's the first to own it. Fans are already calling it the most iconic car moment on YouTube this year. Whether you're into tech, cars, or just crazy stunts, this moment is unforgettable. MrBeast didn't just buy a car, he made history. And if you know him, you know this is just the beginning.